In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do backtest using GoCharting. We'll walk through using GoCharting's built-in replay tool to simulate past price action so you can practice reading candles and validating your strategy in a controlled, step-by-step way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the charting terminal, enable the replay controls, set a start point, and play through historical bars at a speed that suits you. Start by opening your browser and heading to the GoCharting website. When the homepage loads, look for the main navigation along the top. Click on Products to expand the menu. From there, choose Charts. This takes you into the full-featured charting terminal in your browser with no extra downloads required. Give the page a moment to load. You should see a clean chart canvas with the standard toolbars around it. If a default market loads, that's fine. You can practice the process with any symbol. Next, enable the replay tool. Look toward the top toolbar for the replay control. Think of it as the feature that lets you step backward in time and then play candles forward as if they were unfolding live. Click it once to activate. When it's on, you'll notice a dedicated replay toolbar appear near the top of the chart. This toolbar is where you'll control playback, speed, and the segment you want to observe. Now choose where your backtest begins. On the chart itself, double-click the candle where you want the replay to start. Pick a spot just before a move you want to study so you can experience the full setup as it would have appeared in real time. After that, set the replay timing. You'll see an option to choose the seconds of the replay. This determines how the playback session is timed. Then select 1 second bar. This setting means each new bar prints every second, giving you a smooth, fast simulation that's quick enough to practice but slow enough to analyze structure, wicks, and volume without feeling rushed. When your start point and timing are set, click the replay button to begin. You'll see the chart play forward, bar by bar, from your selected candle. Use the controls in the replay toolbar to pause if you need to take notes and resume when you're ready. If something moves too quickly, you can stop, pick a new candle, and run it again. This simple workflow, open charts, enable replay, set a start candle, choose timing, and play, gives you a reliable, repeatable way to backtest your ideas on GoCharting.